Good afternoon, Pirates, and welcome to CPTV, the Charlestown Pirate Television Report. It's Wednesday, December 15th, and I'm Kyle Elsie.
And I'm Christian Hensley. Stay tuned for the latest news and information for Charlestown High School coming up next.
With the cold weather, it's time to think about Winter Formal, which will be held here at Charlestown High School this Saturday, December 18th from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the cafeteria. Tickets will be on sale starting today through Friday, December 17th. No tickets will be sold at the door. Tickets are $10 for singles and $15 for couples. For complete details, including visitor restrictions, please see Mr. Tolliver's public folder under Winter Formal.
Friday's basketball game is Cystic Fibrosis Awareness. Everyone wear purple to school and the game.
Attention theater members, check Ms. Haynes' public folder frequently for updated information, schedules, and announcements regarding future meetings, the spring production, and fundraising.
Don't forget this is finals week. Semester finals continue Friday. Don't forget this is finals week. Semester finals continue today and run through Friday. Make sure you get plenty of rest and review your material so you can do good on your test.
If you are a singer and would like to learn Christmas carols in Spanish, please meet in room A203 from 3:30 to 4 o'clock today and Thursday. We will learn several Christmas carols in Spanish.
The best way to get your announcement on the CPTV report is to have your teacher email it to Mr. Gross, or you can bring the announcement to room A102 between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. daily. Please get the announcement to us 3 days in advance if possible.
The latest Charlestown weather forecast plus your latest local sports coming up after the break.
Good afternoon, I'm Donnie Rourke with a look at the Charlestown weather forecast. Tonight, light snow showers this evening will become a mix of wintry precipitation late on, low around 25. Chance of precipitation, 80%. Tomorrow, a mix of wintry precipitation in the morning, then cloudy with some lingering showers in the afternoon. Temperatures near steady in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation, 70%. Tomorrow night, cloudy, low of 24. Friday, mostly cloudy, high of 28. That's the look at the Charlestown weather forecast. Now let's send it over to sports with Christian Hensley.
Good afternoon, I'm Christian Hensley, and here's the latest Charlestown High School sports. The Lady Pirate basketball team will travel to Floyd Central tonight. Due to the forecast of hazardous weather overnight, the time starts have been moved an hour earlier. The junior varsity game will tip at 5 p.m. with the varsity start immediately following at approximately 6:30 p.m. The Pirate Sports broadcast team will cover the contest live beginning at 6:15 p.m. Friday, the Pirates basketball game plays host to Providence, who's 4-0 and ranked 13 in 2A. The Pirates are currently 5-0 and ranked number 22 in Class 3A. JV tips at 6 p.m. with varsity to follow at 7:30 p.m. Pirate Saturday morning league players in attendance this Friday during halftime of the junior varsity contest at home versus Providence will be honored for their hard work and dedication to Charlestown basketball. Youth League players will be admitted free to Friday's game if they are wearing their league t-shirt and are accompanied by an adult. The CHS wrestling team will be in action this Friday and Saturday in the Jeffersonville Invitational. That's a look at sports. Let's send back over to the news desk. You have a friend with a birthday coming up? If so, why not have a birthday in a special area by getting a picture on the CPTV report. Simply bring in 6 pictures and $3 to room A103 in the business wing anytime between 11:26 and 2:02 p.m. and we'll get that special announcement on the CPTV report. Please bring your pictures in at least 2 days in advance, if possible. Now you're up to date with the latest CPTV news, weather, and sports. I'm Christian Hensley.
And I'm Kyle Elsie, and have a great day, Pirates, and thank you for watching the CPTV report.